All right, guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how just in one premium trading session, I doubled my account using our 1-minute strategy. My name is David with Pioneer Masterclass, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, guys, let's get into the trading here. And as you can see, Aussie CAD is coming up to a very nice resistance. It is oversold, a very clean level here. I'm looking to take an entry on Aussie CAD. There we go. As soon as it gets to that level, I get a good entry on it. I also run over and take a similar entry on Aussie Franc. And just to be a little safe, I take a couple more entries at Aussie CAD because I really do like this level. Now, all of these trades do move back into the money, but my Aussie Franc, so I win my first Aussie CAD, but I lose my Aussie Franc entry. But I've got these other two Aussie CAD entries that also finished. So I won 3 out of 4 of those positions. And automatically I'm up $150, $130, $40 on this session. I'm looking for my second entry. Guys, we're using our 1-minute strategy here that we teach in our masterclass. We're using an elevated version of our money management, but I really wanted to grow my account quicker, which is something that I can teach you how to do if you follow our strategy in money management. I'm watching pound CAD, but I'm hesitating at this level. It is at a few really good levels right here. I'm a little unsure about it. So not sure if I want to get in here or just kind of bypass it. It looks like it's kind of already responding here. So I actually do not take pound CAD at that level. Move over to Euro Yen, see what's happening there. Actually, pound CAD breaks out of that level, breaks all the way down to a lower level, and I do take an entry, or I try to as close to that lower level as I can. Now, I did not get the level that I was hoping for, and it does end up pushing farther. Something's obviously going on with these CAD currencies. I do take a second entry on it when it hits another level, but there's obviously something going on with the CAD because it broke down to a couple of levels, and I've taken now some entries on Aussie CAD and on pound CAD. My pound CAD trades second is in the money, but I do have kind of this third entry over here on Aussie CAD that is winning actually as well. All right. Good. So I won a number of entries there, and I've already almost doubled my account, guys. I'm up to over $800 on the account. So you can see I'm up about $335 just in my first 3 or 4 trades. And I am kind of watching Euro CAD, but it is in this downtrend, which I don't like. Guys, if you want to join us in our live trading rooms and trade like this, click the link in the description below. We're bringing back a huge promotion. We've got that news coming up in just a day or so. I do take a pound USD entry at a support that I was moderately excited about. It wasn't really, it just touched the 125 on our value chart, which is a level that we love. And it actually does end up responding off of that support. So I am going to win this first entry on pound USD. Banks another $43 in profit. Okay, watching Aussie CAD, and okay, so we just had a news event. It was a 5:30 Pacific time news. I don't normally trade news anymore, and this is kind of why I did not catch the right spot on Aussie CAD. I should not have taken this entry in retrospect, but it does push down and now is starting to have issues. You can see these Canadian currencies. This was Canadian news. You can see these currencies starting now to bottom out. I actually take my trade over to pound USD, and I take a second entry on pound USD when it breaks that upper level. And I actually kind of thought this was going to be good. I'm a little surprised here that this one is coming back. It tests my money. It actually comes, well, what does it want to do? It comes back and uses that place as support, breaks back down into the previous range. And now I'm deciding where I want it. I do take a third there because I was able to get this as pound USD retested that end of news support level. And guys, this is an area that we often will take a trade, and that is when a currency retests the support or resistance that it creates at the news event, which Pound USD did. It came down, and that's a very good level to trade off, by the way, guys. This third entry does win very cleanly, very nicely. Takes me to over double my account. As you can see, I finished just over $1,000 in the account, and that's just after like 17 minutes of trading, just a few minutes after the news event ended, guys. This is something we don't double our account every day. I'm not going to pretend like that happens all the time, but if you follow the strategy and if you learn the strategy well, and if you learn to follow our indicators, these are the kinds of trades that you can take. Now, I am actually looking at doing another challenge where I take my account from, let's say, $1,000 all the way back up to $100,000, or from 5,000 to 100, something I've done before. I've taken an account from $1,000 to over $200,000, guys, in just like a month or two. Now, that's not typical. That's hard to do, but I have done it, and I am looking at doing it again. So if you would like to learn how to trade like we trade, and if you would like to learn how you could possibly take your account from $1,000 to $200,000, you can learn that in our Binary Masterclass Premium membership. Click the link on the description below. And guys, we have a promotion coming up on this that you're not going to want to miss. A key component in our trading trio, our strategy, our money management, and our indicators is going back on promotion in just a couple of days. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we will see you in the trading room.